The modern custom-built Berendsen Perth facility, with its in-house engineering department and a fully equipped 1,500 square metre workshop facility, is geared to deliver fast, efficient hydraulic services, from custom hydraulic system design and manufacture to cylinder, pump and motor repair. Stocking an extensive range of hydraulic products and components, Berendsen Perth designs custom hydraulic solutions and manufactures a range of cylinders, manifolds, power units, filtration systems and lubrication systems suitable for a range of fixed plant and mobile applications. Berendsen Perth's cylinder repair division is equipped to serve customers on an industrial scale, thanks to large and powerful disassembly, repair and testing equipment, including this modern fully integrated nut, torque and cylinder stripping bench. Seen here, cylinders up to 7 metres in stroke are no match for the 65,000 Newton meters of torque and 7-ton push-pull capacity. In addition, the workshop features an equally large, digitally programmable honing station, performing optimal homing cycles that leave no room for error in the pursuit of original specified performance. High-precision manual and digital measuring equipment is employed for assessment and accurate scrutineering of cylinder condition. The quest for consistent, high quality of repair extends to the automatic parts washer bay, large capacity sandblasting facility and on-site spray painting booth, which aid in returning factory fresh finish and performance to every cylinder that leaves the repair division. The Hydraulic Test Centre, with 2 test rigs, performs open and closed loop test cycles across a range of speeds to verify performance of all new and reconditioned hydraulic products. In the field service and on-site preventative maintenance department, our fleet of fully equipped field service vehicles and experienced technicians are on call to respond to scheduled maintenance, on-site shutdown work and emergency work. With full support from our workshop, our service team can contend with a wide variety of on-site repair or maintenance tasks. Berendsen Fluid Power, Perth. The scale and expertise to match Western Australia's heavy industry.